Well, good morning and welcome to the comment video for March 3rd, 2025. And we'll start with the weather, and the wind continues to be continues to be inconvenient. Today, Monday, we get up to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow it looks better, but Wednesday we're back up to 15 miles per hour. Thursday up to 23 miles per hour on Thursday. On Friday, it seems to calm down a little bit, go just nudging 14 miles per hour. Saturday looks like a mild day. Sunday, a mild day. Monday, a week from today, again, we're up to, 18 miles per hour by late afternoon, a week from today. And then the following day looks a little bit better, looks maybe 11 miles per hour top speed. So the winds are not they're not dangerous or anything. They're just inconvenient on those days. The temperature outlook is anywhere between 64 and 74 over the next 10 days. Today the high is going to be 67. Mostly sunny skies in the next 10 days, so pretty pleasant March weather for Quartzsite, Arizona. This will be another very short one, and just keep in mind this is coming to the end of the season, so there's a lot less activity on the channel. So we may go, if it keeps up like this, may go to every other day comment videos. Okay. So the good news video commented on is good news times 3. There were 3 stories in one, and one was about I can't remember exactly what country it is in Europe, is trying to pass a law that when a politician is proven to have told an intentional lie, they can be taken out of office. And Kelly says, sacking politicians who lie. Would we have any left in the United States? Just asking for a friend. Laugh out loud, just making a joke. Nancy Lowe says, happy birthday. Thank you, Nancy. Donald Sewell says, good morning. Ken Gray says, vote on lying politicians. I'm not going to say why I don't think that would work in this country. Wink. Good news for China. Great news for those states that got solar under control. And Ivan Reed said, where's your kitty? Well, George is usually right down here beside me. Today, George is right behind me on the floor. Ken, I guess I got confused. I thought your birthday party was the long-form video for yesterday. It was a day. Maybe it was. Maybe I got that mixed up. Carter Wample, bad thing about today is not only are the winds going to be high, it's supposed to last through the night. Biggest test yet for me for the Gazelle tent. The other day it held up well to a direct hit from a huge dirt devil, so I have confidence. I drove by him yesterday in the late afternoon, and his tent looked totally intact. Dee Dee Cornell, good morning, Mr. Rob, Dottie, and George. If I stayed longer in my RV, I'd think about it, from RV Life, and I don't know what that's referring to. It's a reply to Dee Dee Cornell. Not sure. Ken Gray says, yeah, I'm not a first-person shooter person, more of an adventure gamer. Glad you got the Walker, too. Montana wife, are you nearsighted or farsighted? I'm neither of those things. I'm having astigmatism. Captain 8642, you do look better. I guess I looked a little rough the other day when I was tired the day of my birthday. I guess I was pretty tired. Tommy says, well, I'll be getting one of them instead of a TV when I get my camper. I like games, but I like having a big screen, even if it's only in my head. That's the VR thing that shows it's like you're watching a 10-foot screen when you watch videos and TV. Manny, I really enjoyed this video. This is on my bucket list for the theater aspect, but even more for the immersive exercise VR games. You get as fun and increase your cardio and stretching. You can do this outside and have room to move around. Thanks for sharing. And I am going to do the cardio kind of interactive, active stuff after the surgery and after a recovery. Hip surgery. So Debbie Hersko says, I think it's a good idea, Rob, to stay with someone post-surgery, at least for a few days. When I had surgery, I fell off the scooter, and thank God my husband was still alive. I would have been on the floor for a long time. Just someone to be around in an emergency for a while. It'll be fine, and we're all praying for a fast recovery. Well, granted, here I won't be alone if I ultimately decide to stay right here. I'm not alone. I'm surrounded by people in camp that will be coming in and out of they're seconds away. So I'm not thinking about doing anything alone. I'm just thinking about, how well am I going to be able to maneuver in here really in the first few days. Knowledge says, in regards to the Matrix reference, take the red pill and join us in going down the rabbit hole. Okay, Naj, I'll take the red pill. I'll join you guys. So those are all the comments. I told you it was going to be short. Heck, it's 5 minutes. So today it's 8:19 in the morning. In less than 2 hours, Daryl will be here, and Daryl and I are headed to Phoenix again. I'll do a video on our trip to Phoenix. He's going to see that surgeon again after he got his MRI the last time we were down there, and he had said there's like a screw that's come out or something in his ankle, and he's going down to find out what it's going to look like to repair that, right? So, and maybe today I might find out if they've gotten my medical clearance. Maybe I'll get a surgery date. I don't know. But if things work out right, if I'm a lot sooner than him and I go and stay with him and I recover, then he goes down for surgery. I can return the favor and sort of take care of him. So hopefully that'll work out. But if we end up having surgeries at the same time, that may not be good. So we'll maybe figure that out tomorrow. Who knows? I don't know exactly what he's thinking there, but we'll find out today. And anything else? I don't think there's anything else. I'd love the video, the positive news video today. It's about one of the last video stores in the country to close in Pocatello, Idaho, and how they kept a piece of it alive for a young woman with Down syndrome. It's a beautiful story. And it really touched me, and I hope you enjoy it. So today's video is going to be the road trip with Daryl, and I'll try to do the editing and uploading and finishing and polishing while I'm riding in the car. So it should be, I would say, probably when we're on our way back, mid-afternoon, late afternoon, something like that. So we'll have that for you. I can't think of anything else. That's going to be today's video. I will see you tomorrow.